Hi everybody, in this video tutorial I will show you how to build a heat map. Heat map is a 2D, two dimensions representation of your data. In this case, you see the daily consumption of water in this tank. In order to provide daily consumption, you have to create a smart device that will do post-processing on data coming from your sensors. So here I created a smart device called tank number 1, and this smart device will actually process the number of liters in a tank based on the formula, as the sensor that we have connected to the tank is actually showing you the level of water, so actually the distance between the top of the tank and the level of water. So we have defined a formula, and in the smart device we ask for daily aggregations and delta calculations. Once you do this, every time you receive new data, we will process the volume in liters, as well as calculate delta per day, per week, per month, and per year. And this for every time data is sent by the sensor. So once you have the smart device, you can go to the dashboards. I will create a new dashboard. I will call it demo, and I will add a widget which is actually my heat map. I will call it heat map. And from the widget list, you can see that you have heat map charts. So once you select this, we will ask you the time frame. So I'm going to take it for example, for last month. And as an input, I'm going to select a smart device, which will be my tank number 1. And I will take volume. And that's it. You have now your heat map widgets that will show you for the last month. So we show you all the weeks, all the days of the week. And when you put your mouse on every cell, you can see the number of liters in the tank. Thank you for listening.